Alright, hello guys. So I'm going to talk about this, no, this things here sa gilid natin. So post, it's basically the post na kung gagawa ka ng vlogs is dito mo siya gawin. Media is pwede ka mag-upload ng mga pictures or mga videos or whatever things na pwede mo ilagay dito guys. Pages is yung mga pages natin na na-explain ko sa ating WordPress na beginner. So it's really basic, the same lang yung application. Ang comments is dito mo makikita yung mga comments, mamamanage mo yung mga comments kung sino ba yung nagko-comment dito sa ating comments, no? Dito mo makita, pwede mo siya i-approve, and pwede mo rin mag-delete yung comment natin, okay? So WordPress.com, ito yung ginagamit natin, diba? Yung themes, yung appearance, yung themes natin, dito tayo nagfo-focus, right? Kung ano ba yung themes na gagamitin natin. Pag gagamitin natin itong Pro or yung WordPress.org is hindi na natin siya gagamitin guys, okay? Why? Because ang gagamitin na natin dito ngayon is yung plugins. But before I'm going to talk about the plugins, no? Later I'll be sharing that one to you. Pwede natin bababa muna tayo ito. So, okay, sa users, once we click on the users, makita natin dito yung export, site health. Dito mo makita yung mga ano bang dapat natin gawin, whether yung web maintenance natin. And then yung settings, dito na din makita. And I think you can change your password here naman din. So, general and everything. So, basically, ang makita natin dito is a dashboard like dun sa ating dashboard sa ating WordPress na .com, no? Easier to read and really friendly user naman din. So, in the next video guys, I'm going to talk about the plugins. This is where we're going to lagyan natin ng makeup ang ating bahay. And it's just like I explained, no? Ang domain name is your bahay. Yung website hosting is your lupa or your land kung saan nilatayo mo yung bahay. Ang plugins or yung WordPress plugins is ito yung dito tayo mag-design sa ating bahay. Okay, dito natin ano bang kulay, ano ba yung design, no? Design in sa whole house. Alright, guys. So, by the way, guys, if you want to change your password dito sa ating WordPress, di ba yung password natin kanina is dito yung password natin. So, we don't want to use this one kasi hindi natin niya mahalala. Not unless if you're, marunong ko talaga mag-remember dito. But anyway, you can change the password, guys. All you need to do is go here sa ating users. And then, once you're here sa users, i-click natin yan. And then, i-click natin itong edit. Boom! Once it's loaded up, need to go down here, and you can also change your nickname if you want. And dito guys, so dito sa account management, may nakalagay ito new password. All you need to do is set new password. Ito yung, di ba? Ito yung password natin. Bago password to. Pero we can customize it. And yeah, and then once it's done, you can just basically click update profile and then you're done. Okay, hello guys. So welcome dito sa ating WordPress series, ating WordPress.org. Today we're going to talk about the plugins. So ano yung plugins? So it's basically just, dito tayo mag-install ng mga apps, no? The difference between the WordPress.com and the WordPress.org is meron siyang plugins. Ang plugins is dito tayo gagawan mga design sa ating website, magkaroon tayo ng mga pop-up or mga opt-in ng mga plugins or mga apps. So, nandito yung lahat. Okay, naalala niyo yung when we open up this WordPress earlier, marami siyang naka-install. Pero ngayon, wala siyang naka-install the plugin because kinanggal natin lahat para for the purpose of presentation. Once we're here, i-click natin yung plugins and then we're going to install the plugin. Kung ano ba tong design natin. So, we need to click here sa add new, and then search tong Kung search tayo ng plugin, ang i-type natin dito is yung Astra. Okay? Yun ang pinaka-easy here na access to Astra. And ito na yun guys. Okay? So, once makita natin guys, install natin to guys. Okay? Install now. Okay? Click natin to install now kasi ito yung pipili natin na plugin. And then, once it's done, we need to click activate. Boom! I-activate natin yun guys para ma-activate yung plugin natin. Okay? Boom. So, ito yung plugin natin, guys. Okay? Once it's here, kailangan natin gawin is we need to click here sa C library. No? Ang library dito natin makita yung ano ba yung template na gagamitin natin sa ating design na gagamitin natin sa ating website. So, may nakalagay ito ano bang gagamitin natin. Select build page builder, Gutenberg, Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Breezy. So, ang pipili natin guys is yung Elementor. Kasi ito yung pinaka, as you can see sa mga online jobs, no, sa Upwork.com. Siguro may nakita kayo na looking for a WordPress freelancer with specialty in Elementor. So, ito yung popular na app na gagamitin natin. So, we're gonna click on that one. And, yeah. As you can see, ito na yung makita natin na mga website, no? Ito yung makita natin na available na pwedeng maging isang website natin. Ito yung parang itong maging design ng website natin. We're going to select a theme kung ano ba yung theme na pipili natin or yung plug-in na gagamitin natin na design sa ating website. As you can see, ang dami talaga guys. Ang daming pwede natin gamitin na design sa ating website. Pero again, nang nakalagay dito yung iba na may nakalagay ito na free, premium. Ang premium, I think may bayad talaga ito guys. I don't know kung magkano. Pero for the purpose of this presentation, and since nakabayad na tayo ng 3,000 kanina, of course, we're not going to spend pa ng another pera. So, let's, the good thing about this plugin is meron silang nakalagay ito na free. Pumili ka din yan para hindi na tayo magbayad. Right? So, as you can see here, yung mga boss, ang daming mga free na mga designs or mga templates na pwedeng gamitin nyo na design sa website nyo. Okay? And, again guys, I need you to be creative. Kung ano yung trip nyo na design, feel free to use whatever designs that you like at don't just follow my design kasi yun ang preference ko eh. So, hindi naman, pwede nyo yung kopyahin gusto nyo pero I would encourage you kung ano ba talagang gusto nyo na website, yun talaga yung fit sa personality nyo para ma-inspire kayo every day to update or to redesign your website every single day, no? Kasi it's your website naman, it's not my website. So, when it comes to making your portfolio, di ba, sinabi ko na yung website, yung WordPress na website is pwede natin gawin na parang portfolio natin, no? Just like din-explain natin sa WordPress.com na free, ang dami nito guys, okay? Example, this one, okay? You can create here, let's say for example, Jake FB Ad Services, di ba? Contact me, pwede magkaroon ka ng service. What is your social media management, Facebook ads, and even na yan, meron na kayong WordPress, di ba? So, pwede nyong lagyan to na portfolio or pwede nyong ilagay ito nga, my name is Jake, an online freelancer from the Philippines, tapos mukha nyo nito. So, you can actually edit this, guys, okay? Feel free to do whatever na gusto niyong gawin dito sa website niyo. And right now, I'm just choosing the website, a design na pwede kong gamitin. Actually, this is good. More on videos kasi I'm planning to promote my videos sa YouTube and sa my Facebook page as well. This one is good. This one is good. This one is good, right? So, I'm just looking for kung meron kayong restaurant. Guys, ang ganda, diba? This one is nice, medyo dark. Again. Ito. I think, ang barbershop, I think this is the website na gusto ko. Yung parang picture, tapos may ang font is bold, yung font. Tapos may logo ako dito sa website. So, I'm gonna select this, guys. Yan, kung mahilig kayo sa makeup, you can use this one. Kung meron kayong photography, like business, or meron kayong mga kung wedding coordinator kayo, you can basically go here. It's nice. The font is nice talaga, so you can select this if you want. Pero I think I want to stick dun sa modern designs, architecture, pwede yan. And for me, I'll just go dito sa barbershop, okay? Once na gusto niyo, any designs will do. Once na may gustuhan kayong designs, or even sa premium kung may magustuhan kayo, feel free to do it as well. And then, click na rin to guys. Kung ano ba? Alright! In order for us to do that one, we need to click sa, pwede natin i-preview site. Let's just see it. Preview site, home barbershop. So, it was my logo. That was my picture ako dito guys. Picture. So, yeah. Pwede kong gawin services like Facebook ads, like social media management, Shopify, WordPress, and dami. So, pwede ko siyang gamitin, guys. And I don't know if I can add some videos here. So, okay. So, click na yan. Okay, once it's done, you can click on Import Complete Site. Okay? Huwag itong Import Template. Gamitin itong Import Complete Site. Kaya, boom. And then just wait for it to load. Okay, so dito may one last step. To serve more beautiful startup templates, we would like to know more about you. Okay, so I'm a WordPress, lagyan niya beginner. I'm building for myself or nakalagay ito my client. So myself lang guys. Wait, next. Boom. Exclusive startup templates, themes, and updates there. Yeah, you can put that one there. Put your name. Kasi may mag-promo din sila, mag-add din sila. Okay, smart. Submit and start importing. or your email address, okay? Importing. Please do not close this browser window until the site is imported completely. Okay, so alright, the website is imported successfully. Go ahead, customize the text, images, design, do it, make it yourself, have fun. PS, we try our best to use images that are free, legal perspective. However, we do not take any responsibility. We strongly advise website owners to replace the images and any copyright media before publishing them online. Okay, so yeah, buti na lang na may sinabi sa dito, okay? Boom, hindi pa pala siya naka-update, guys, okay? So, kailangan pa natin siya i-click tong i-live natin siya before natin siya makita, okay? Today, we're going to talk about sa ating website. Actually, live na pala siya, guys. Like, makita natin na live na to siya, guys, okay? Obviously, we need to change the background kasi hindi naman tayo naggugupit ng mga buhok, alright? So, let's just change this. What we're going to do right now is we need to go here sa ating edit with Elementor. Again, guys, whatever templates or whatever plugin na pili nyo, just customize it, no? Okay? So, dito natin siya kailangan. So, kahit anong plugin, what you're going to do right now is you need to click here sa edit with Elementor. Tignan din yan. Mind you, guys, medyo, medyo laggy to kasi nga, parang ang dami kasi pictures na kalagay rito and siguro maghahang yung mga personal computer no, like sa akin right now, medyo naghahang siya kasi I'm using a PC right now. So, parang naggawa na ako kanina. So, basically, itong nakalagay dito is we can edit. Same with the WordPress.com na tutorial. Very nice na. Very, very easy lang. No? So, again, medyo lagi siya. So, ito yung picture na nalagay ko. And, click natin ito. Okay, yun. Styles. Ito. Pwede natin i-delete, boom, i-delete natin yan kasi yan yung nagkanoy. So, ito yung normal talaga. So, ang hover leave it as is para sa akin. And yung background overlay is dito ko makita yung picture na gusto kong i-change, right? So, pwede kang mag-choose image here. Boom, change na rin yan. Sa mga SEO na part is dito siya applicable. If you want your site to be visible dun sa Google, yung mga alt text type or mga caption or mga description, lagyan natin ng name. Basic SEO today, sa. I'm not SEO sa freelancer. So, Bashik TV, meaning, pag nilagyan mo, I want people to know para makita ko na doon siguro. Okay, so ito yung latest na picture. Okay, so yeah, that's the website na pwede natin paglaruan. So, again guys, I'm not a designer, so you can basically change kung anong bang gusto nyo na theme na gusto nyo sa website. Anyway, it's my website. So, kung gumawa na kayo sa naging website. And the next one here about, change na rin yan. And then, click din natin tong edit section, background overlay, layout, and sa baba, okay, styles, background overlay. So, ito yung background sa baba. Pwede natin siyang i-change. I would suggest, kasi may mga free images nito eh. So, tayo natin laptop. So, yun namang niche na rin, di ba? Powered by Pixabay, yeah. Pwede na gamin yan. Basic lang yung mga pictures ito. But anyway, for the purpose of presentation again, let's try to put this one here, okay? Boom, insert image, and tignan natin kung ano ba yung result. Okay, boom, services. And yeah, we can change this. Let's say, for example, Facebook ads, social media management. Again, may WordPress na tayo, guys. WordPress management. And yung kami na Shopify management. Right? So, ito na yung services natin, guys. But this one, we need to change it. Don't know if you can choose an image. May mga free image pa. 65 by 65 pixels. Anyway, guys, so, alam niyo na yung mga different style of how are you going to make this your own website. Pwede natin i-delete to. I'm not gonna go further here sa ating website kasi medyo matagal na siya. So, just feel free to design whatever design na gusto niyo mangyari sa website niyo. Yeah, so that's basically it is, no? Kung gusto niyo gawa ng website nito, feel free to do just like sa tinuro ko and just improve it or just feel free to be creative, no? Sa akin, I'm just doing this for, presentation purposes only. Pero it's really up to you kung paano ba nyo ba gawin ang website no na para pang good looking talaga. So, anyway, I'm gonna be changing this design pag may time ako. And yeah, that's how easy it is to make a WordPress website, guys. We need to go back sa ating WordPress dashboard. And then, let's go back sa ating theme. And, bala tayo dito sa installed plugins. Wait for it to load. And, okay, here. Nakita nyo ito? So, ito. See, let it play, buddy. Click natin yan. Again, punta tayo doon sa free. Kasi free lang yung password natin. Hindi muna tayo bibili doon sa mga medyo mahal. Okay? As you can see, marami naman ding free home, may mga like basic lang talaga na website. So, what if ang gagawin natin is yung parang portfolio talaga natin as a virtual assistant para sa atin, okay? So, simple lang. I think the easiest way to go is a theme like this and yung theme na ganito kasi parang straight to the point. So, what if we are going to, or ito, right? Kasi nakahilera kagad yung mga services. Pero, the good thing about this is, may nakalagay siyang picture dito wala. Pero dito, dalawa yung more on events. I think let's just go with this, okay? What if I'm going to change my theme? So, ito na yan guys. Theme natin, so ito yung naman. So, very basic lang din na website. If nagustuhan mo to, makikita ko lang to import complete site again. And just wait for it to load. So, once done, you can delete the previously imported site. Yes, kasi sabi the warning selecting option will delete data from the previous import. Yes, kasi ang goal natin is we want to change the current theme na meron tayo earlier. Okay, so let's just click import. Okay na guys, so let's click on view website. Ganun hindi siya makita. Pero if we try to start this one, ito na yung website natin. Boom. As easy as that, pwede natin ma-change yung website natin guys. Alright, so that's how easy it is to change the theme or your plugin sa website mo. And yeah, you can basically change whatever designs that you want to do with this website, and feel free to do anything here. So, yung process natin is very much the same with others. The process is very much the same with the previous plugin na ginawa natin. Okay guys, welcome. So, natapos natin yung actual application na ating paggawa ng website, yung paggawa ng domain name, pagpili na hosting plans, and pag-install dun sa ating WordPress plugins. Today, I'm gonna teach you guys yung basic na pag-optimize ng ating website. Okay, if we try to go back here sa ating dashboard, so basic lang din guys, yung in-explain ko sa inyo about dun sa wordpress.com of how we're going to optimize our website. It's very much the same with here. Ang nakaiba lang guys is meron siyang appearance, okay? So meron siyang pages, meron siyang comments, meron siyang itong, again, ito din yung isang feature ng wordpress.org. Meron siyang Elementor since this is the plugin that we use, so automatic siya malagay dito. Alright, so if you want to change your menu, you can basically go here sa ating appearance, okay? So, yung itinuro ko sa inyo guys dun sa wordpress.com is very much the same sa application din dito sa ating wordpress.org. Ang nagkaiba lang is meron siyang plugins and meron siyang nakalagay na mga ibang tawag mga apps, okay? So, mga plugin apps. Alright, so that's basically it guys. So, if you want to know more about this, is feel free to explore the site kasi ito lang talaga yung ginagamit na din as guide sa WordPress.net. Okay, as you can see here, ito yung website natin guys. Very much professional. So, from time to time, I'll update this para naman makita natin kung ano ba yung kilbasan niya. Or how we're going to install yung mga plugin sa ating WordPress. Actually, we talked about this already kung paano ba tayo mag-install ng mga plugin, but today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys kung ano ba yung isa sa mga plugins na dapat natin i-install sa ating WordPress. Okay, let's go back here sa ating dashboard. Kasi usually yung mga ibibigay sa task kayo, if mag-handle na kayo ng client guys using the WordPress, naka-install na yung lahat ng mga plugins dun sa client niya. Pero what if yung client is sabihin na client mo, Jay, can you install this plugin to WordPress ko? So, anong dapat din gawin? So, basic parang guys, all you need to do is go here sa plugins, click add new. Okay? Add new lang tayo guys. And usually, ang dami. Kasi nga, kung makita yung plugins ang dami, more than ilang thousands ang mga plugins natin guys. So, yung pinaka-famous na plugins is yung Yoast SEO. So, yung Yoast SEO is basically ito yung plugin mo for SEO purposes. Okay? But I'm not gonna tell you about SEO since I'm not an expert to that field. I'm not an expert sa field na yan. May mga digit coaches dyan. So, I'm not gonna teach you about that. What I'm going to teach you is how are you going to install this Yoast SEO sa plugin niya. Okay? So, to do that, you need to search here and then click here dito sa ating install now. Just like the thing that you did about how you're going to install yung ating plugin before sa ating template. Okay? So, once it's installed, you need to activate it. Okay? Again guys, yung mga client din nyo, usually, pag ipamanage nila sa inyo yung blog post o yung WordPress na website nila, may naka-install na yan ng mga plugins. So, you don't have to worry about ano ba mga plugins i-install nyo. So, ito yung SEO. Yeah, so ganyan lang ang pag-install ng mga plugins, guys. Again, if your client wants to install a WordPress na plugin, this is where you basically wanna go. Dito pupunta, add new plugin, and then maganda ka lang sa mga instructions na ibibigay ng client mo. Okay guys, so welcome sa video natin. Today I'm gonna be talking about ano ba yung mga jobs sa mga WordPress na freelancer. Right now, we are in onlinejobs.ph. Nag-type lang ako ito WordPress guys, pero ang daming lumabas. Pero usually yung lumalabas ito is yung mga WordPress developer. And again guys, I'm not teaching WordPress developing kasi nga hindi naman ako like yung pro talaga. So if you want to really enhance your skill about this WordPress, you need to enroll to another course which is WordPress website developing talaga. Yung tuturuan ka na HTML, tuturuan nila yung mga front-end tsaka yung mga back-end na mga style. Pero I'm not teaching that one guys. But again, it's advantage for you if a freelancer, if you're a virtual assistant or a freelancer na marunong din gumawa ng kahit basic lang na professional looking na website gamit ng WordPress, okay? So if we try to click to one of today's job postings here, may nakalagay dito na ito. So basic, yung salary is $450 per month, August 11, 2021. So we're looking for WordPress expert to import different sites that are currently on the platform. Okay, so 30 hours per week from Monday, $450 a month with salary increase. Kasi yun talaga yung WordPress, marami ding mga client guys. Okay, you need to be fully proficient with WordPress and everything that goes along with websites creation, hosting, and domain. So ito yung sinasabi ko guys na really important. So dapat malaman, since of course nalaman niyo na about that because natulog ko earlier. So this is not really a problem for you anymore, right? So yeah, so this is the other job post and hiring now multiple WordPress. Okay, so I have an interesting WordPress project, so looking for that interested long-term collaboration. So ito guys, long-term collaboration talaga. Help me create a WordPress websites according to requirements kasi may mga clients kasi guys na yung client nyo is my client din iba. So probably ang business ng client nyo is nag-create siya ng mga website, WordPress website sa mga clients niya. So obviously that client needs an assistant to help them with their work sa WordPress. So you on the other hand na marunong ka gumawa ng WordPress website is a big plus sa iyo kasi hindi na siya hanap na iba pang WordPress maker na freelancer. Ikaw na lang pipiliin niya. Alright? So that's how important it is to really know how to make the WordPress na website again. Okay? Dito, build new WordPress website based on design files. So WordPress, then build WordPress pages. Marunong tayo gumawa nito guys. Tweaks and changes to the existing templates, layouts, and modules on WordPress site. So basically, ito yung mga kailangan nila. So right now, I'm going to share to you kung ano ba yung experience ko, na actual experience ko sa pagiging WordPress na freelancer. I've been a WordPress freelancer for maybe 2 years before. Yes, sa mga client ko, like they were giving me the client from Australia gave me like 5 hours a day of work. Pero yung work ko talaga guys is very basic lang talaga. So ang assignment ko is dito. So every day na pupunta ko doon sa ating WordPress na dashboard, yung work ko kasi is mag-upload lang ako ng mga post niya. So that's how easy it is. Mag-upload ng mga post, mag-upload ng mga picture, and then sa pictures niya, nalagyan ko ng mga name. Okay? So right now, I'll be sharing to you guys kung ano ba yung ginagawa ko before. Okay, sa WordPress niya. Okay? Ito. Ang task ko kasi is mag-add ng post. So basically, I just go here sa post and then add new. Okay? This is just an example of what I do before guys, okay? Tingnan niyo all post. Like for the purpose of this presentation tonight, or I'm just gonna go here sa aking related to business.wordpress.com kasi ito yung ginawa ko ng mga vlogs. Okay, so ito yung post guys. So actually, pwede ka mag-tutorial kung gusto mo. Marami pa dyan. Pero for this time, hindi ko muna gawin yan kasi alam ko naman yung dapat natin gawin. So dito tayo gagawin ng post guys, okay? Ang title natin is, i-copy paste ko lang dito yung title, Marketing in Social Media, since ako naman din gumawa ito. boom, marketing and social media. Ito na yung purpose ng SEO, guys. So, again, I'm not gonna teach you about SEO kasi hindi naman ako expert dyan. Pero usually, ang nilagay dito is yung mga highlighter, mga keyword mo para it's easier for your website na makita sa Google, okay? So, ikagaling niya, marami siyang rated na keyword, so show pop-up once. So, again, kailangan itong account. So, anyway, let's not focus on that anymore. I'm just gonna copy this one. Again, guys, ako naman gumawa nito sa OKLOMCAP. Then, okay, so, after that, just copy, paste it here. Boom. So, nag-gana siya, guys. If ever na gusto ko mag-add ng business, mag-add ng picture, I'm just gonna click the one and add an image, no? Add an image somewhere and click here's upload. I-upload natin, guys. Okay, ito yung picture ko. So, it's still uploading. And then, yun. So, basically, ito yung ginagawa ng client na pinapagawa sa akin ng client. And then, once it's done, I don't usually go here kasi and magbe-base din ako sa advice ng client ko ano bang dapat natin gawin dyan. So, okay, and dito usually, ang pinapagawa sa akin dito, guys, is nilagay ko na dito yung name ng website ng client ko. In this case, click natin yung advance. Yeah, I think that's it. So, usually, ito yung ginagawa ko, guys. Okay, so, click natin yung publish. Boom. Are you ready to publish? Yes. Okay. Okay, so, every single this way, ito na yung, guys, available siya. And we can click view post. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung post. So, usually, yung client, guys, ito lang yung pinapagawa sa akin. No, ito lang yung pinapagawa sa akin every single day. Like, kasi yung client ko is meron siyang mga set of freelancers din, mga virtual assistant na who usually gumagawa ng mga blogs for her. So, every day, siguro may 3 post or 4 na post siya. So, ang work ko is to upload, copy-paste, and upload yung mga pictures na gusto niya. Siya din na-provide ng mga pictures and siya din na-provide ng mga content. Siya din na-provide ng mga title. And yung job ko is to like post doon sa WordPress. Ipopost ko sa WordPress niya, okay? And then, if gusto ng client ko na like lagyan ng link, I can put a link here if I want to. Depende na sa client ko na bang gusto nila, okay? Yan. Every day, I've been doing this kind of job for 2 years and siguro nasa mga 5 hours a day. So, ito yung work ko, okay? I'm just sharing this one to you guys kasi most probably magkaroon din kayo ng job na ganito, okay? So, may mga task din ako na gumagawa ako ng mga pages, nag-reply sa mga comments, tapos, yun, marami pang iba. So, basic lang, hindi naman, kasi alam ng client ko na hindi ako developer. So, that's one thing to make sure of, na sabihin mo sa client mo na you need to make sure that your client knows na hindi ka talaga website developer or yung parang gumagamit ng mga HTML or gumagamit ng mga coding para in order for the WordPress to work. So, I always let the client know about that and yun, yung mga blog post niya is, yun lang talaga yung minimize sa WordPress. So, we're going to talk about the rates of a WordPress freelancer. So, kung magkano ba talaga yung rate na binibigay usually sa client natin, this video is all about that. So, okay, next is ito yung mga rates of a WordPress freelancer. Again, guys, mind you na magdepende din ito kung ano bang level or skills na meron kayo sa WordPress. Again, I'm sharing this because ito yung testimony ko kasi since I became a virtual assistant, yung WordPress na job is isa ding job na nagawa ko for a few years back, no? So, nagkaroon ako ng WordPress client for 2 years and hindi naman siya like technical talaga. Yung tutorial sa akin is yung basic na talaga, yung posting, yung uploading plugins and also magkano ba talaga yung rate nila, okay? This is based sa year 2021 and disclaimer lang, guys, maaaring may mas malaki pang offer nito kaysa sa standard na ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, guys, okay? So, ito yung, guys, meron tayong tatlo, guys, okay? Meron tayong part-time, meron tayong full-time, and meron tayong fixed or yung one-time no project. So, magkano ba yung sweldo kung part-time job lang? Ito, nag-range ang mga part-time jobs from $7 to $15 per hour. The reason malaki siya is because yung client, nagbibigay lang sa inyo ng mga tasks like siguro in a week time, maybe 20 hours a week or even 15 hours a week or 10 hours a week. Depende sa client nyo, guys. So, usually mag-work kayo nito like 1 hour to 2 hours a day. Just like sa experience ko din before. Now, may rate ako before na $7 per hour sa Upwork. So, that's still good naman din kung ipa-part-time mo lang siya. And kung part-time lang din ang offer. Pero yung full-time guys, ito yung from ranges to $5 to $20 per hour. Again guys, depende rin to. Then kung may mag-offer na malaki, meaning mas okay siya, diba? Okay? So $5, the reason kasi na $5 lang usually binibigay ng mga client dito is because kung full-time kasi, you'll be working 40 hours a week. Like 30 hours a week, 30 to 40 hours a week. Siguro 6 hours to 8 hours per day. No? Yan ang in-offer ng client nyo. So usually, ang binibigay na client ng offer dyan is nasa mga $5 to $20 per hour. Depende rin sa client and depende rin sa skills na ma-offer mo sa client mo. So yun na expect guys. And kung may mag-offer sa inyo guys at $3 to $4 to $4.5 per hour, I would suggest if you're just starting out, siguro start with $4. Kasi yung $3 kasi medyo mababa na yun sa WordPress skills mo. No? Start with 4, but yung standard talaga para sa akin, for me, is you need to start at least $5 until $20 per hour. Depende kung gusto mo yung mag-start kagad ng $10 per hour. So, it really depends on you guys. And, again, depende rin sa skills niyo, okay? The number 3 is the last one is yung fixed or one-time project. So, ano ba yung fixed one-time project? Diba sa mga videos natin, na-explain ko before that may tinatawag din tayo na fixed rate or yung one-time project lang. Ito yung mga projects ng clients natin na nagbibigay sa atin ng project. Like, one time lang talaga. Let's say, for example, magpapagawa siya na isang whole WordPress na website, magpa-install siya ng mga plugins, magpalagay siya ng mga blogs, magpalagay siya ng kahit anong gusto ng client, hindi ay papatrabaho sa atin, okay? Ang fixed tsaka yung one-time project is usually go-offer yun sila na $20 to $300 per project. Pero again guys, yung $20 is medyo maliit din siya sa skills natin. Pero I'm just, binabata ko lang itong $20 kasi may nakita din ako na mga gigs dito sa Fiverr. So they can create a whole setup website for only $20. Isang website lang. Pero again guys, nakita niyo naman din kung gaano din ka simple lang gumawa ng isang WordPress na website. So, yeah, $20 to $300 per project. Ang iba nga, may magpapresyo ng $400, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. Depende sa amount of skills na meron kayo o depende sa client at depende sa skills mo. Again guys, if kung feeling mo more than $300 yung paggawa mo sa website, feel free to go out from this parang rate natin. Parang rate ko, personally ito yung rate ko. Pero kung feeling nyo mas higher pa din yung price na sa paggawa ng website, feel free to like raise it up as much as possible. Ang goal lang is makapag-meet kayo halfway ng client nyo. So again guys, if you try to go sa mga online jobs or sa mga freelancing websites na mga binigay ko, yung mga WordPress talaga na freelancer or yung mga WordPress projects is malalaking halaga talaga. So yeah, if I were you, go deeper sa WordPress. Go deeper sa WordPress na skills and then I'm sure na if you go deeper, if you go talaga, malayo talaga yung mararating mo, okay? So, yan sa akin guys, ito yung rates natin sa WordPress freelancer. And yeah, kung may mga tanong kayo, again guys, this is just for parang kung feeling nyo nalitan kayo sa mga bang rates na binigay ko, don't hesitate yourself na to limit sa ganitong rates, okay? Feel free to raise it up as high as you can, as expensive as you can. It really depends on you, okay? Pero make sure that your skills will match dun sa quality ng website na gagawin nyo for your client, okay? Part-time, full-time, fixed, or one-time project. The goal is to really make the client happy. And you know what? If your client is happy, then there will be more projects, there will be more referrals, there will be more dollars to come sa inyo guys. Okay, that's it for this episode. The next one will be where to apply for a WordPress job. Where to apply for a WordPress job. Okay, marami tayong mga freelancing websites na binigay ko. So basically, you can go over dun sa list and simply find or look for a WordPress jobs doon sa ginawa natin na mga list of freelancing websites. Okay, so as you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating freelancer account. Wala pa akong pera dito guys kasi ever since di ako naka-client dito sa freelancer.com kasi mostly sa mga clients ko are coming from online jobs and doon sa Upwork.com. Okay, so ito yung, say for example, i-type ko lang dito yung projects about sa WordPress. Okay? Say, excited. May nakalagay dito na export articles from Expression Engine V2 to WordPress. So, $250 to $750 per hour. Looking for SEO specialist content and editor. Unfortunately, wala akong SEO skills so hindi ako makapagturo about this. Yeah, so WordPress, SEO, usually kasi yung WordPress is more on SEO type din siya so that's more on of the advanced side dun sa WordPress. So, need importing products into WordPress, so $5 to $50 per hour, looking to help importing products into our cannabis-based store on Rehab WordPress theme. So, yun rin sabi ko sa iyo guys na importante din na maging familiar rin kayo sa theme. So, complete WordPress website, WordPress content writer, ito $250 to $750, complete WordPress website $250 to $750. So, malaki talaga yung rate nila guys. Kayo yung rate ko na $20 to $300, medyo maliit din yan, okay? Looking for launch flow, VA, yun, lahat. So, okay, WordPress developer, freelance, okay? WordPress designer, $150, WordPress web developer, $1,000, WordPress expert, for $1,400 per month. Per month yan guys, diba? Malaki talaga. WordPress website developer, all-around web developer. So, ito yung mga latest post na guys, okay? Social media marketer and WordPress website developer. So, kung meron kayo sa background sa social media marketing, pas meron ka WordPress, marami ka rin malaland na job, for sure. Full stack WordPress developer. Are you an experienced WordPress developer that's tired of constant gigs? Looking for a full-time position with a company that can work with you for years? So, ito yung guys, create a WordPress site, $200. So, ang dami guys, WordPress WooCommerce specialist, admin assistant with FB ads. Okay, for example, ito guys, admin assistant, okay, virtual assistant or virtual assistant yan siya, diba? Okay, with FB ads. So, meron kayo FB ads, diba? Tinuro ko yan siya, guys. Experience and WordPress. Imagine, 30,000 pesos per month. Yun ang potential na maging sweldo mo, no? Shopify or WordPress expert, pwede. Shopify is our next course. So, abangan yan, guys. WordPress security expert, yun. So, ang daming press na jobs na pwede natin applyan, okay? Ito rin din ginawa ko before, guys. Nag-apply ako kahit hindi ako developer, hindi ako designer, nag-apply din ako ng mga jobs na ganito. And fortunately, na-hired din ako from this set of clients. Basta ang importante lang, guys, huwag kayong matakot mag-apply. Marami naman tayo din mas na proposal. Basta yung proposal mo is make sure that you are going to customize your proposal. Huwag mo lang yung i-copy-paste yung ni ginawa ko. All you need to do is also edit and customize it. Alright? Okay, the next one is yung ating WordPress dito sa Upwork. So, Upwork, marami na rin guys. WordPress app restore and migration service, bug fix, plug-in fixes. So, kung marunong na kayo nito guys, you can apply for this kind of job. WordPress installation with theme setup, $400. So, yun, no? Ito yung mga freelancers na para mga gig nila. Marami talagang jobs, guys, okay? So, if you're a WordPress freelancer, tsaka marunong ka gawa ng social media, marunong ka gumawa ng Facebook ads, marunong ka mag-admin assistant, and marunong ka rin gumawa ng WordPress, so malaki talaga yung chance niyo na hire sa isang client or isang company because if you have this set of expertise, so it would be easier for you na ma-hire kayo dun sa mga client na who's looking for a virtual assistant or a WordPress developer, depende, or a WordPress designer or a WordPress helper. So, puntahan nyo na yung link na binigay ko sa inyo guys, yung list of freelancing websites. I'm going to update that one as well kasi marami din mga freelancing websites